Hi student, good morning. I am Anokhi. Today I am going to discuss the first chapter of chemistry, that is chemical reaction and equations. First of all, what do you know about chemical reaction? What is mean by chemical reaction? आप लोग क्या समझते हैं chemical reaction क्या है? So chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances get converted into another substances with the totally new different properties. During the chemical reaction, only rearrangement of atom takes place. It is not that the atom of one element changes into another element. Only rearrangement of atoms take place. During chemical reaction, old chemical bond breaks and forms a new chemical bond. So, in the chemical reaction, there are two main terms, that is reactant and product. Reactant is a substance which participate in the chemical reaction. So here I have written the definition of reactant. The substance which participate in the chemical reaction is known as reactant. So in equation, whatever in left side it is written, all are reactant. And what is product? The new substance which is produced after chemical reaction is known as a product. So in the right hand side, what is written? This is known as product. Here we have taken the example of magnesium and oxygen. When we burn the magnesium into air, it forms the magnesium oxide. This is an example of chemical reaction. Here, the magnesium is in the form of magnesium ribbon. The magnesium ribbon, which we usually use, have a coating of magnesium oxide on its surface. From where does it come? You know? It is formed by the slow action of oxygen in air in atmosphere. So before burning of magnesium in air, first of all we clean the ribbon. Why we clean the ribbon? To remove the magnesium oxide coated on its surface so that the chemical reaction takes place in a good way. So how do we know that the chemical reaction has taken place? How do we conclude that yes, this takes the chemical reaction and this is produced after the chemical reaction? So there are certain characteristics after which we can say that yes, this forms the chemical reaction, or chemical reaction had happened in this element or product. So first we will study the characteristics of chemical reaction. First is evolution of gas. Second one is formation of precipitate. Third is change in color. Fourth is change in temperature. And fifth is change in state. So evolution of gas means after the chemical reaction has taken place, in product side, gas is produced or gas is evaluated. So we will see a few example of all the characteristics. That is, for first evolution of gas, we have taken the example. The chemical reaction between zinc and a dilute sulfuric acid produce the hydrogen gas. What is dilute sulfuric acid? What do you mean by dilute? This is one question. So we have already studied in class 9th or 8th that dilute means the amount of water in that particular acid is much more than the amount of acid present in that. And there are two type of acid, that is dilute acid and concentrated acid. In dilute acid, I have told that amount of water is much more than that of the acid. And in the concentrated acid, the amount of water is negligible according to the presence of acid. So here I have given the two examples, that is the chemical reaction between the zinc and dilute sulfuric acid produce hydrogen gas, and the chemical reaction between the magnesium and dilute acid, that is any acid, dilute sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, in the presence of any dilute acid. And second one is the formation of precipitate. So what do you mean by precipitate? In simple word, precipitate stands for insoluble solid. Means that solid which can't get soluble in the water. So here I have written the full definition of a precipitate. A precipitate is a solid product which separates out from the solution during chemical reaction, and it can be formed by mixing an aqueous solution of reactant or by passing a gas into aqueous solution. That is CO2 in lime water. We have taken here an example that when the carbon dioxide is passed into lime water, it produces a precipitate. The chemical name of lime water is CaOH whole twice, calcium hydroxide, plus carbon dioxide. It produces the water plus calcium carbonate. That is, calcium carbonate is a white precipitate that is formed during the chemical reaction when the carbon dioxide and lime water is reacted. Third one is change in the color. Means that the color is also changed when the chemical reaction takes place. Here are the example that changes the color when the chemical reaction takes place. That is the reaction between the citric acid and potassium permanganate solution gives purple colored potassium permanganate solution. So fourth one is the change in the temperature. During the chemical reaction, there may be the release of heat energy or absorption of heat energy. So there are two types of reaction based on the heat release, that is endothermic reaction and the exothermic reaction. During the endothermic reaction, heat energy is get absorbed, and during the exothermic reaction, heat energy get released. Means a lot of heat energy is produced in the product side during the chemical reaction. Here, in example of endothermic reaction is barium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. When barium hydroxide and ammonium chloride get react, or the chemical reaction takes place between these two, then barium chloride plus ammonium plus water and lot of heat energy is absorbed. During this reaction, a lots of heat energy get absorbed. So this is known as endothermic reaction. Why this is known as endothermic reaction? Because lots of heat energy get absorbed during this reaction when barium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride is reacted. And the example of exothermic reaction is quicklime and water. What is quicklime? Quicklime is simply dry chuna, you call. That is, when the quicklime is reacted with the water, it produces the slacked lime and lot of heat energy is released. So it is known as exothermic reaction. And fifth one is change in state. So during the chemical reaction, the state may be changed. During the chemical reaction, the state of reactant may or may not be changed. So here are the example of change in state, that is burning of wax. Burning of wax produces the carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Which energy? Energy in the form of heat or light.